Hey, what's up everybody? This is Slide. I'm here with you today. What we're going to look at is the Surface Go. That's right, we have the Surface Go here, and we're about to take a first look of that, and then also the keyboard cover and the pen. So without any further ado, we're going to go ahead and jump in. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and move these accessories out the way and jump into the Microsoft Go. So I have my handy dandy unboxing knife, and we're just going to go ahead and start cutting some stuff. Get the other side. One more side. Peel it off the back. Slide it around to the front. Oh, this is on there tight. So we got nice clean boxing. So we set that to the side. And as you can see, we got our device right here, the Surface Go. So we're going to set that to the side. And then we have two other compartments in here. First one, we'll go ahead and pull out. And there we are, we have our charging cable. We're going to set that to the side. Take this box, throw it. Alright. And here, Microsoft Surface. We'll check this out later. Okay, set that to the side. And there's nothing else here good, right? So we'll go ahead and toss that. And let's peel back this packaging. Ooh. Nice new electronic smell. So as you see, we have our device right here. Alright, so we have our device. Okay. And we have our Alcantara signature cover. So, move this circle. So, pull that. We have one on this side also. No. Oh. So, there's nothing in there. And as you see, our keyboard connects right to our device, just like so. So we have, and then we still have our Microsoft Surface Stylus pen. Okay, and that pulls right out. And there's Surface pen. A little bit of plastic on there. We'll just tear that off real quick. And there's our pen. So there you go. That's the official unboxing of the Microsoft Go. The keyboard cover. And also the pen. And I'm turn it around here. The pen is magnetically connects right there. So that's the first look. We're going to actually fire this up and do a first look and first review. Thanks for checking me out.